Wait a moment, my friend.
Ja, Moment.
Wo ist der?
Portugal.
Okay, my friend, I'm trying to audio. Please tell me, my friend, this better this moment. Hello, CQ. I'm trying to work again my compressor. And please, my friend, tell me this moment, my friend.
Yeah, that sounds a little bit better, but it's not a big difference. It's not a big difference. It sounds like you're sitting in a metal box and sometimes punching around the walls from the metal box. It sounds a little bit you're a drummer of a music band. Hi. It's not so hard, but this is my impression and my suggestion to your modulation at the moment. Please give me your call and your operator name on your next over. This is 13 Golf Tango 005. Mike, back to you.
Okay, no problem, my friend. My call sign is 31 Papa Alpha Tango 167. 31 Papa Alpha Tango 167. Back to you.
Okay, 100%. So I have a small video now. I have a small video of your modulation. You will find it under my channel on YouTube, 13 Golf Tango 005. In the next few minutes or next hour, I will post it on YouTube. So you have a chance to control your modulation on your own copy.
Okay, no problem. Please, my friend, tell me again, what's your radio? What's your radio, my friend?
Yeah, I'm using a Yaesu Foxtrot Tango 990. Yaesu Foxtrot Tango 990. Running with a power amplifier and roughly a 500 whiskey and to a 4-element Yagi. Copy?
Okay, copy. Please, my friend, send me this video. Send me this video for my email. Is possible?